you're going. Alright, so clearly this video shows that humans and dinosaurs have coexisted together. Do you think that's true?
No.
Yeah,
I think it's kind of unexpected.
There's some T-Rex at the Geology Museum.
Okay, so some of you don't think it's true. Why would you not think it's true?
I have never seen a dinosaur
Okay, so
living, walking around and stuff, chasing me, trying to eat me.
maybe right? So maybe maybe we have some evidence, right? What kind of evidence do we have so far that says humans and dinosaurs do not live together, or did not live during the same time period?
Fossils.
Fossil evidence, right?
Cave drawings.
Okay, so on your table you have a piece of paper, just a piece of white paper with some notes on it. I'd like you to turn that paper over to the blank side. I'm going to have you answer a few questions before we get started. What I'd like you to answer for me is, one, how many years ago have dinosaurs existed? And how many years ago have we seen that humans have existed? And the second question is, what's one theory for why the dinosaurs do not exist? So while we're working through some stuff, there's some questions I'd just like you for you to think about while I'm standing up here talking and we're doing things. One would be, what evidence makes you think dinosaurs and cavemen existed during the same time period or not? What do you think fossil evidence means? Maybe do modern dating methods have measurements of error? And if modern dating methods do have an error in measurement of time, does it matter? Can you provide mathematical evidence for your answers, which dinosaurs and prehistoric humans have existed? And what other evidence do we know of, or that we can look for to determine whether or not humans and dinosaurs existed at the same time? So first, I would like you to turn over your paper to your note sheet. And we're going to do a little demo. You can see that there's a line drawn at the top of the paper. That's going to represent our timeline, specifically our timeline for the history of the Earth. So, you know from yesterday, the history of the Earth was created around 4.6 billion years ago. And by the way, this board is 20 feet long.
The bolded line or
got 4.6 billion years on this side. Then from fossil evidence and modern dating methods, we can determine that dinosaurs existed 225 million years ago. So on this time scale, that would be somewhere in this area. But we're going to do some math, because we're going to integrate some math into the lesson today. So I would like you to get out your calculators, right? And today we're going to determine if this is 20 feet, exactly where on this timeline is 225 million years ago. We're going to do this 225 million divided by 4.6, center of math, which is 4.6 billion years, times 20 feet, times 20, or 12 inches. That's going to give us how many inches? Now, does somebody have an answer for how many inches that is? Just a cross length. 7 inches from today ago. Right here. Okay, as you can see, this doesn't give us a very detailed look about how long ago dinosaurs existed. However, we do know that the earliest fossils for dinosaurs was found 7.2 inches from today, so we're going to expand this scale to encompass the period that dinosaurs existed all the way to today. And for this, I'm going to need 2 volunteers. 2 volunteers. Just go out and Mr. Crossland. So if dinosaurs existed between the time period, according to fossil evidence, between 225 million years ago and 66 million years ago, about how much distance from today is that going from 66 million years ago? We're going to do the same kind of mathematical calculation. We got 66. Everybody just follow along on your graphic organizer. And does anybody have an answer for me for how many feet from today that 66 million years ago is?
5 feet, 10 inches.
5 feet, 10 inches. Are you about 5 feet, 10 inches?
Yeah.
Go ahead and measure out 5 feet, 10 inches.
So today,
Yep. Sir? All right, so this is dinosaurs. Now, according to fossil evidence and modern dating methods, humans, the earliest human fossils are found to exist 2.5 million years ago. So again, let's get out our calculators and do some math, the same way we've been doing. Right, who has a number?
2.5 inches.
2.5 inches. This little value could be roughly 2.5 inches from today. So, I'd like for someone to guess. How much distance is that in length? Between 2.5 inches and 5 feet.
5 feet, 7.
5 foot 7.5 inches. That's right. So on this representation of time, we can clearly see there's a large amount of distance between the evidence we have for the existence of both dinosaurs and humans. Why would I use feet and inches to show you this data?
Scale is useful in helping you visualize.
Right. You all know the standard unit of length, the standard units of length one measure scales. So, do you think that humans and dinosaurs lived at the same time? Big no. Okay. Mr. Miller?
I thought that the dinosaurs turned into birds.
That's right. So are they dinosaurs anymore?
Technically, no.
Is it? Alligator?
No, it looks like they're descended from the same ancestors.
Okay. Before we finish up, does everybody understand the math that's going on here? It's important in biology. You know. Okay, so for your post test, I'd like you to answer these questions for me again. Because how many years have humans and dinosaurs existed? In the past? For how many years and how many years ago? And again, just give one theory for what happened to the dinosaurs, for why they don't exist today. Which we did not cover, but we will start covering tomorrow.
Thank you very much. Alright, Jocelyn, can we stay a couple minutes after? Because if you start right now, you're probably gonna go a few minutes over, is that okay? Alright, as part of the course,